Okay, first thing we're going to do is open up our 15-year-old. It's got to be 12, 15 years old. This cement we made, and inside the bucket you can see it's been laying around. Take out some of the larger pieces of debris. But oddly enough, you put your finger into the putty, it's still pliable. And that's what you want your stained glass cement to. You don't want it to dry up. Excuse me. You want it to dry up. You don't want it to be rock hard. And that should stay pliable for many, many years. Eventually, in 50, 60 years, it starts deteriorating and drying up too much, and then the windows have to be refurbished. But that's a lifetime. It literally is. It's a lifetime. So what I'm going to do, I have new stuff to make new stuff. I'm going to take some mineral spirits and pour it in there. What I'm hoping to do is get that soft enough so I can come back with my cement mixer. It's a paint mixer. I have two different types here. I might start with the smaller one because to get in, and we'll try that. I think it'll work. It's just a matter of bringing it around, and then I'm gonna take the mixer and put it on a drill. So you open this up. And we'll see what happens. I'll go ahead and plug this in. It's going to take some time. It's not going to happen in 5 minutes. I'm going to let it soak for about an hour or so. Usually when I'm trying to refurbish old cement, I got it hooked up to the drill. When I gotta go forwards. When I'm trying to refurbish or whip up, I can say that. I call it whipping up. I try to whip up some cement that's been sitting around a while. That's what I do. I add mineral spirits and I bring it back up to like a I'm going to say pancake batter consistency. Then I could add more boiled linseed oil and whiting. Typically that works. I mean, you could add more raw linseed oil to it. The boiled linseed oil, this will help the cement stiffen up quicker. I say quicker, like instead of one day, instead of a week and oozing out everywhere, it'll set up in a day or two. But it'll still remain pliable. You want to limit the amount of boiled linseed oil. You don't want to use too much because it becomes very goppy and sticky and hard to manage. But you do need it to help set it up. I have a pint of linseed oil putty. And if I'm successful breaking up this cement here, because you don't want chunks in there either. You don't want it to have chunks that are going to get stuck in the lead. So it's really got to be fairly smooth, and chunk free. So we're going to try that. And I'm going to come in with another video and, maybe do the mixing process, or pause this one and come back during the mix. I don't know. But I'm going to do these in stages. This is going to be stained glass cement, part 1. Hopefully I'll remember the parts. But, stay tuned. We'll be back.